Basic proportionality theorem. The theorem states, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Now this is the triangle ABC, and PQ intersects the sides AB and AC in points P and Q. These are the two distinct points P and Q. To prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Construction. Draw PC, dotted line PC, you can see the dotted line PC and segment BQ, dotted BQ. Now the proof. Now consider the two triangles APQ and triangle PBQ. Triangle PBQ. So these two triangles, triangle APQ and triangle PBQ. So these two triangles will be having the same height. This will be the height QS. Suppose you name it as S, this point as S. So QS will be the height for the two triangles. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PBQ is equal to their bases, ratio of their bases, that is AP upon PB, AP upon PB. Similarly, if we take the two other triangles, suppose we take the two other triangles APQ and PQC. So their ratios will also be like area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC will be equal to the ratio of their bases, that is AQ upon QC. So now we get here two equations. Equation 1, and where area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB, and equation 2, where we get area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. Now what we have to prove is AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. We have AP upon PB over here, and we have AQ upon QC over here. We have to prove that both are same, equal, both are equal. But on the left hand side we see that area triangle APB is common in the numerator, but the denominator is different. Denominator we have area triangle PBQ and area triangle PQC. So we have PBQ and we have PQC. These two triangles we have. So these two triangles, PBQ and PQC, they are lying between the same parallel lines, because PQ is parallel to BC, PQ is parallel to BC, and they are on the same base PQ, same base and same height. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. So what we have found is triangle PQC, area triangle PQB is equal to area triangle PQC. So if we write instead of PQC, if we write triangle PQB, so we have the left hand side also equal. Therefore, we can say that the right hand side is also equal. Therefore, we can say that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC.